Okay, you've logged into Brightspace and you would like to make changes to a course that you have had. I'm going to click on this course and make some edits and show you the new look of your course homepage. So here we are, and the first thing I want to do is change the tulips. I'm teaching a computer science class and tulips aren't really the image I'm looking for. So if I move up to the three dots in the top right, I can click on Change Image, and I want something that shows computers, so I will type in computer into the search, and I'll find an image that I like and click on Use this image. Once I do that, it changes my banner, and that corresponds with the look that will appear on my Brightspace homepage. That now shows, I know it's kind of blackened out, but it now shows the computer keyboard that I selected as my banner image. There are thousands of images in Brightspace, so you can try searching for them, or you can upload your own image if you have a favorite that you already have on your computer. I can click on Upload, and I can go to my computer, and I can find the file and drag it over and drop it in this dotted line box, or I can click Upload and find the image here and select it, and that will change my home page image. So I like the one that I have. I'm going to just cancel out of that. So here we go. I have the banner look that I want. This shows my course title. This link up here is how I get back to my home page wherever I am in the course. And you'll see across the top that we've broken out several of the items that used to be within drop-down menus. Now, just to remind you, this is the old course appearance. In here we had assessments, we had Dropbox, grades, quizzes, etc. And those are very commonly used. So we've put them here across the top. Here's an important change. Dropbox is now called Assignments. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that so you can see. You would create a new submission folder. This is Dropbox. It's just got a new name, and we've got it here on the course homepage for easy access. There's quizzes and there's grades. All of those were under the assessment tool. Under communication, what's most used is the discussion board, and we've got that here linked for you, so you can create a new forum and new topic and manage your discussion boards there. Coming back to the home page, Course Admin is here. Used to be up here in Settings. Settings is now just for importing and exporting components from other courses. And under Course Admin is where you will find the tools that you can choose to add or include in your course. Finally, we have Course Resources. This is where you will find calendar, class progress. You can see when students have logged in last under class progress, the class list that we had before, creating groups, creating rubrics, creating surveys. Those are all found under Course Resources. And just like we had in the Brightspace homepage, we have NMHU resources, which includes Banner, Office 365, NetTutor, Library, etc. So let's go back to my course homepage and look at the other features of the layout. So if you remember, Course Resources had a calendar here, but calendar is pretty commonly used. And if a student has an assignment coming up, that will show here. If you've made any changes to the course, that will show under Updates. So when students log into your course, they'll see right away any changes, announcements, upcoming events or assignments that are due. And if you scroll down a little bit, here is a section now for faculty contact information. You can insert your picture and how students should contact you by phone, email, etc. Now you might remember the content browser that used to be here on the right hand side, content browser there. It's now here down at the bottom. One of the reasons for this kind of linear layout is because that makes it work well on student cell phones. So they'll be able to see the content browser in a full screen instead of trying to mash it between these two elements that are side by side in the old version. One final new feature that I would like to highlight is the email function. It's here at the top, it's on your home page, and when you click on that and click on email, it automatically selects all the members of my course, which would be all my students, and sends me a copy as well. Now this is the email that's within Brightspace, but it's an easy way to send an email to all of your students. So that concludes the changes to the home page and some of the new features. Next, we will move on to adding content and creating modules.